Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Place bacon in a cold skillet so fat renders slowly and evenly. Once sizzling begins, reduce to low-medium heat to avoid spurting and burning. You want steady liquid fat, not char. As pieces loosen, move them gently so fat releases from all surfaces. Make sure to collect rendered fat as it pools. Either tilt the pan and spoon into a heat-proof bowl or remove pieces and wipe the pan while hot. This preserves cleaner grease and prevents burnt bits from contaminating the. Once done rendering, lower heat and let the fat continue to clarify. Small crackling is fine, but avoid browning. You want translucent golden liquid with tiny solids settled at the bottom. Make sure to position a heat-proof sieve lined with cheesecloth over your container. Pour slowly so solids stay in the strainer. If you prefer ultra-clear grease, strain twice. Once strained, let it sit briefly to stop sizzling. That prevents steam and splatter and helps particles settle before final storage. You finish by pouring the slightly cooled grease into a clean jar and sealing it. Refrigeration prolongs life to about 3 months, and freezing can extend it longer. Make sure to label the jar with date and intended use so you rotate stock. If you encounter cloudy texture or burnt flavor, reheat gently until liquid and restrain through clean cloth. This often rescues it. However, if the aroma is sour or clearly off, discard immediately to avoid food safety issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.